In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wise account with QuickBooks. We'll be walking through the connection process directly from your Wise account. And this is a useful setup if you want to streamline how your payment tools work alongside your accounting workflow. The process is fairly quick, and once you know where the settings are, it becomes very easy to manage. To begin, go to the Wise homepage and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. If you manage more than one account, take a moment here to confirm you're in the one you actually want to connect to QuickBooks. That small check can save you from having to disconnect and repeat the setup later. Once you're on the Wise home screen, look to the top area of the page and click the profile icon. This is where Wise keeps your account level settings and connected services. If you've never explored this menu before, don't worry, it's a standard part of the account dashboard and it's where the integration options are located. After opening the profile menu, click on Connect and Manage Apps. This section is specifically designed for third-party connections and app integrations, so if you ever need to review or update linked services in the future, this is the place to come back to. Inside the Apps area, find and click on QuickBooks Pay Bills. Make sure you choose the QuickBooks option shown in the Wise integrations list, since that will take you to the correct connection flow. This step is important because Wise offers different tools and app links, and selecting the right integration keeps the setup focused on bill payment and accounting compatibility. Next, click Connect to QuickBooks. This will begin the linking process between Wise and your QuickBooks account. At this stage, you may be prompted to sign in to QuickBooks or approve the connection, depending on whether you're already logged in. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully and review what access is being granted before confirming. Once the connection is approved, your Wise account should be linked with QuickBooks. If anything doesn't load right away, give the page a moment to refresh, or check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes interrupt sign-in or authorization screens. And that's it. You've now gone through the full process to connect your Wise account with QuickBooks. If you need to make changes later, you can return to the Connect and Manage Apps section in Wise to review the integration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.